Hey, it's Steve from Echo Alley Restorations. My buddy Ramon dropped by with his little Speedway racer. Big old 5X George here finally found a car he could get into, but we're going to watch him get out. So this ought to be fun. Hope it hits the high view.
Ready?
Let me get you in focus. There we go. Do I need to move back anymore? Don't roll on me.
How much film you got in that thing?
Oh, about 8 minutes.
Okay. A good shirt. There you go.
Now just swing your leg around and put it on the fender.
I think you're a burnt marshmallow right now.
Fuck, you got it. That's how you do it, big boy.
Wait a minute.
One leg over, one leg out. Ta-da!
This is Big G, Echo Restorations. I did it.